The world is moving at an accelerated rate, creating a demand for sustainable innovation around the world. For over 10 years, the annual investment meeting has provided the world with a platform to explore new ideas and solutions. It has brought together people from different backgrounds and walks of life, opening up a world of opportunities. Discover how we build a better future by boosting investments, by bridging industries and sectors such as oil and gas, manufacturing, aviation and information technology, with major investors and stakeholders, in order to create and maintain relationships that push us further. The next edition of the annual investment meeting will bring numerous investment opportunities and interactive features of the world's greatest show, the EXPO 2020 Dubai. Network with the world's most influential people and gain insights from top speakers and organizations. Experience conferences, presentations, and world-class exhibitions on the theme Investments in Sustainable Innovation for a Thriving Future. By the year 2030, we envision global growth, success, and prosperity through our strategic investment platform, where we create smarter cities and support investments in developing countries. Our approach to making the world a better place isn't just a dream. Join us at the annual investment meeting as we celebrate 10 years of success, calling every nation to invest in sustainable innovation.